Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you new Arduino menu code. Let's get started. This is the demo. I choose ST7789 for a display. It have three buttons. First one is up, middle one is down, and the last one is select button. This code compatible for Arduino. If you do a little change in code, with that compatible any other device. Let's check out code. This code compatible for Arduino. We are use Adafruit library. You must be installed. All necessary link in description. We use SPI pins on Arduino for display. Arduino has a built-in pull-up resistor, so we don't need add any extra pull-up resistor. So you can use any other pins for buttons. This is menu structure. You can easily customize menu for your purpose. Any command or different subtitle add in here. VC button and display setup. Change size and rotation for your display. Don't change anything in loop or other void. That's all. Simple Arduino mini system. If you want to see more, subscribe my channel. See you in next video.